Here is my new toothbrush, Oral-B Genius 8100 from Brown, and is a special edition. It's done like that, special edition. I had many toothbrush, and this I use now is also Oral-B, and it's like some years old, very old. So this will be an upgrade from that brush I use now, because this is a little bit more technology in this. Bluetooth, yeah, it's Bluetooth. Big box. So we will unbox, take a look. First of all, it's like professional protection, fluoride toothpaste. Yeah. One more. Oral-B 3D White Looks Perfection Whitening Technology. Okay. Here it is. A new box in the box. Okay. New box in the box. We take out the new box in the box. Little bit smaller box in the box. So, intelligent brush to clean like your dental professional recommends. Okay, that here, good sound. Genius 8000 series. It's top series of Oral-B, top of the top. Yeah. So when I first buy a new one now, after some year, I think it's good to buy someone who are a little bit expensive, someone I can have some more years and clean good. That's the most important. So I think this will do. Okay, open a new box. There. Here it comes, and here it is. Here is the machine. Yes, it's many things here. I think this is for travel case. That's smart. So many things. And 3 of them is different, I think. 3 different brushes. Okay, you will see. First of all, we have this. There. Here it is. Bluetooth. and here is like diamond soft, I think. Yeah, there. This, I think you can have a smartphone on this. I think so. Maybe. Yeah. And 3 different brushes. Okie dokie. That's all. It was many things. Many things in this. Okay. Yeah, this is a travel case. You can have 2 brushes here on the machine. Smart thing. Put in a toilet map. Smart and good. And this looks different, all 3. You can see that it's different. I think you can see it now. Yeah. There. This one is for smartphone, I think. If I have understand the commercial right, you can put your smartphone in between here, like this, into the mirror or something. There. And this, what is this? Of course it's loader. What else should it be? There. Ready to load up. Oh yeah, you can see here. Diamond. And this ring, if you make this to your smartphone, it will be some kind of color, I think. And you can see how you brush your teeth when you put your smartphone there. I think it's something like that. I am not 100% sure, but I think so. Okay. I had to load up. So this is inside box. It's many things. And I think this is to have here. So you can have your brush like there, or something like that. And this inside here or something. So what is say genius? Yeah, here you can see. Yeah, you clean your mirror. You put it straight from your eyes. Click, phone together. You make Bluetooth to your phone and brush, and then you can see how you brush your teeth. Interesting.